Okay guys, today we are in lesson 3, and in lesson 3 you are going to learn how to use paragraph indents and spacing, use the offline spell checks, and also use word utilities such as autotext and autocorrect. Check for grammar in the document. We are going to start with the indentation. So we have 3 types of indentation. We have the full paragraph indentation, we have first line indentation, and we have hanging indentation. So in my case I have 3 paragraphs, so we are going to use these paragraphs to elaborate more about the types of indentation. So let's start with the full indentation. So I'm going to select this paragraph. Okay, if you want to carry out a full indentation, you have to come here on the formatting toolbar, and then you press crease indentation, okay, or decrease indentation. If you have been told to put an indentation of 1.5, you're going to use this as measurement. So it's supposed to be here. You're going to increase 1, 2, 3. So 1.5. So if you're supposed to put first line indentation of 1.5, you're going to select. In this case, you're going to come to format, and then you go to paragraph, and then under indentation and spacing, you come here to indentation, and then you come all the way to ratio, and then you come and say first line. Okay, so you want to put it to 1.5, so you can type it in, or you can use these buttons to increase and this one to decrease. And then after you have specified, you come and say okay. So this is the indentation for 1.5 for the first line only. So if you want to carry out hanging indentation, you have to select, and then you come to format, paragraph, and then you come to here spatial, and then you came to and put a hanging, and you insert 1.5. and you say okay. So you see the difference. So it is indenting the whole paragraph apart from the first line, and the other one it is indenting the first line only, and the other one is indenting the whole paragraph. So this is what we call full indentation. This is called first line indentation. This is what we call hanging indentation. I'm going to proceed to the next part, where you're supposed to learn about offline spell checks. Okay, so let me clear this. So I have misspelled this word where I have not put O between T and R. You can notice here you have a red wavy line. So this is what we are referring to as spell check. Okay, the other instance is when you combine 2 English words. So like I say video device, video device. Okay, I've combined 2 English words. Another instance is when I say like use a Kiswahili word like kuja, okay, which means come. So these are the 3 instances. So where you have misspelled an English word which is meant to be monitor, and when you combine 2 English words, and when you write a word that is not English. Okay, we have this green wavy line. It means you have a grammar error where you have not followed the right procedure. So we all know you're supposed to start with a capital letter. If I say I'm going, you're supposed to start with a capital letter here, and here we are supposed to put a full stop just immediately after the word, and also the comma is supposed to be put immediately after the word. If you want to rectify it, the first way is to come and right click on it, and you choose the word that you meant to put. So in our case, we have been told you have monitor, monitors, monitory, you have monet, but what I wanted is monitor. Okay, so you can select that, okay, that way. But I want to show you another way. So in the same case, you right click on it, and then video device, this is what we meant, Okay, but we still have other option like ignore all, like the one we shall use in the other word, which is kuja. Add to dictionary. This means if you put to dictionary, the next time you relate the same word, you won't have that error again. So we have the autocorrect, okay, but we learn about it later. So another way is to come to tools, and then here spelling and grammar, but you press F7 on the keyboard. So when you click it, so it's going to show you all the errors that you have in your document. Monitor, and then you can say change. Video device, it's supposed to be this one with a space, change. This one, another one, we just use ignore ones. And for the grammar, you use okay, because I had changed it. Okay, so you can right click on it and say that right click banana and mangoes. So it now our document is grammatically correct. And to check down here, you will see this check mark, which is saying that our document is okay. So guys, another way to check if your document is grammatically correct is to come to tools, use spell checks, and it's going to give you this message saying the spelling and grammar check is complete. I hope you have understood. Now I'm going to go to the next part, where we are going to learn about using word utilities such as the auto text and autocorrect. Okay, so in our document, I'm going to start with autocorrect. So autocorrect is where if I type the word there, okay, I've misspelled it intentionally. I've written TEH, but it's supposed to be THE there. Okay, so if I press space bar, it's going to put the right word. If I say adn, which is meant to be and I put a space, it's going to change to and. Okay, so this is what we call autocorrect. So for example, if I write the word cocoon, okay, cocoon, so this is not the right spelling, this is the right spelling here. I'm going to come to tools, and then I come to autocorrect options, and here I will press this word cocoon with the right spelling, cocoon. Okay, this is the word I want to replace. Every time I type this word cocoon, it replaces with the right spelling, which is cocoon. Okay, I will just say okay. So if I type this word, automatically it's going to bring the right word, which is cocoon. So if you have any word that you misspell or you have trouble writing it correctly, you are supposed to do that before you start typing, and then you go to tools, autocorrect, you put your word here, the one you misspell, and then you replace with the word that you write it correctly, and then you say okay. Yes. Come to insert, and then you come to auto text, and then you can use this. So we want maybe January, okay, and then add, and then you say okay. I hope you have enjoyed. Let's meet in the next